Go ahead. Where should he sit? He's out of mind. Who's that? Landon. It's very particular on where he wants us to sit. Oh, whoa, jeez. Look at Mom.
Where should I sit?
He's delirious.
Where should I sit?
Oh.
Ball.
Chuck? Okay. Where should Mama sit? Where's Jackson need sit? Jackson.
Do you want me to sit right here?
Jackson, he's telling you where to sit.
Okay, right here.
Oh, over there. There you go. Oh.
Mama?
Oh, Mama's back's kind of hurt. She can't hardly walk. Okay, here comes Mama. Oh, wait. There you go.
No.
Okay.
Okay. It's a fun game.
Oh, no.
Okay, one.
Oh, no, he's going night-night.
Oh, no.
Whoa.
Ow.
Oh, be nice.
Where's your hat, Landon? Where's your red hat?
Uh-oh.
It's right behind you. See? Here's your red hat. Want to wear it? No.
No? There you go. See, I think you can watch from your phone. And oh, you want to put them on?
No.
Have Jackson. Oh, there you go. Have Jackson put them on. Here, let me see. I'll put them on.
No.
I'll put them on.
Okay. Mom, I can't wear those. Okay.
Can I see a cheese?
What should I say?
All right, I'm going to turn this off, Landon. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Landon. What time is it?
Where should I sit? Okay, right there.
Mom.
Right there.
Bye-bye, Landon. What? Oh, no. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa! Okay, we're turning it off. Night-night, everybody. Night-night. Uh-oh. Don't better sit over there. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, over there. Oh.